Dear folks, take your grammar book. It's in the page number 627 and 627 and 28. What we see is lot of dialogues. So we are coming to the first dialogue. Here, two visitors are coming to the shooting spot. They just see and wonder how the shooting takes place. So here are our students who are taking part in this program. I wish you all the best and take part.
Wow, it's heaven.
Yes, it is all extraordinary.
Look there, actor Vikram is acting there.
Oh, handsome he is.
Haha, Trisha, what a beautiful figure she has.
The house settings are marvelous.
Yes, of course it is. And what a scene. Oh God, you have come late. I shall not pardon you.
Oh, honey, I'm so sorry. I have a fantastic gift for you. What is platinum ring? It is going to look fantastic on you.
Oh darling, what a charming ring it is. I just love it. Have this 5-star.
How sweet. What a peculiar dress you are wearing.
Oh God, what an embarrassment. Some of my friends are coming towards us.
Why do you bother? Let us say shares and have soft drinks.
What a tragedy. We have lost nearly 100 young children.
Indeed, it's a mistake of school management and it's all for money. How disgusting it is.
What a pathetic condition for them.
Nearly 1,000 children have escaped from the fire and it's all God's grace.
It's all fate. Have you taken any remedial measures for remedial measures and police station?
Yes sir, the teachers are under arrest and parents are given monetary compensation.
Nasty and stupid. The education officer should not have given any recognition for school.
How are you?
Oh, I'm fine.
Your dress is beautiful.
Be careful, the train is moving.
Congratulations for your admission in the medical college.
Even you got the admission in the medical college, is excellent.
We got admission in the different colleges. It is extraordinary.
It's all God's grace.
How that boys comments on us.
How handsome the Chennai boys are.
How beautiful village girls are.
Chennai was suffering from water shortage. How disgusting it is.
How sweet. The sweets which you have brought in.
Oh honey, my mother prepared for you.
Do you know how traffic road accidents are?
It is stupid. The youngsters drive their two-wheelers very fast.
Nonsense. It is nonsense to blame them. It is badly maintained to us.
Oh God, I forgot you to give the birthday presentation.
Oh, darling, it is so fantastic, marvelous and majestic.
Did you read the newspaper how tragedy the flood havoc was?
Yes, I read in the papers. My heart is bleeding.
Wow, what a speed the Shoaib Akhtar has.
Alright, just won the match and let us have a drink.
Yeah, cheers for the victory of India. Let us buy some t-shirts, jeans for you. What do you prefer?
Wait, what about you?
Of course, let me buy a few of them. Right.
If it rains heavily, it's Chennai is nasty.
Thank God, it was just drizzling.
Look there, some foreign girls are so cute.
What a pity, what a charm and what a figure they have.
Quite please, they may hear us. And then look there, and the young children are begging.
What a pity, what a shame and what an embarrassment for the government, which says that there is no poverty in the country.
Look there, Vinayaka Chaturthi processing is going on. And what a scene, what a peculiar way of celebrating.
Shut up, let us not criticize the God.
Goodness, I just was fun.
What a surprise, we have reached our destination.
Beware, we have 3 dogs in our house.
You have an idea as joining in Anna University as a BA student, but you joined in the medical college. How do you feel?
It's all my fate. It's a very critical situation for me.
Your mother is expired and your father is seriously ill. What a pathetic condition you are in.
Hi, may I know your name please?
Hello, I am Kalpana. May I know your name please?
I am Vijay. It is a wonderful place and how do you feel about the British Council Library?
Hey, the place, the people and the wonderful. I just feel great.
Here are thousands of books dealing with the different aspects of life. A free internet center and cinema auditorium to watch the movies.
May I know what are you doing?
I am doing secondary engineering studies in IIT and may I know what are you doing?
I am doing my first year aeronautical engineering studies in Anna University and I'd love to know what do you plan in future?
I plan to join in military and serve our country and what are you doing with your plans?
Great. I wish to join in Air Force and we both have the same intention of serving the nations. I think we may make great friends in future.
I hope so. I love to know more about you, as the food you like, the clothes you select, as the play you visit, the movies you watch, the sports you love, the malls you visit and the vehicles you ride or drive.
Oh God, yours is just too much. Anyway, let us go to the restaurant and know about each other.
Okay.
Dear folks, it's in your grammar book. This is the page number 630 and 31. What you're going to see is, it is the family going out for a dinner. It is the norm nowadays, just not eating in her home. They just go outside to spend a lovely day, and they spend their night having food in a hotel. So this has become a norm here. In a hotel, a family goes to a hotel for a dinner. The family consists of a grandfather, grandmother, a father, wife, sons, uncle and aunt. Here our students have taken the character of, they have taken different characters. Now in a hotel, what do they do? This is what our conversation. In most of the hotels, the servers, the suppliers, the waiters, most of them, they speak only in English. So they should be well versed in speaking in English. So let us start our dialogues of it.
Which hotel shall we go for today for our dinner?
Let us go to Liberty Park.
Okay, let's go to the Liberty Park.
Welcome, sir. Please take down your seat. What do you like to have?
Please give us the menu card.
Here is the menu card, sir.
First, bring us all a sweet corn chicken soup for non-vegetarians, and tomato soup for vegetarians.
Yes, sir.
I need a full plate mutton biryani with tandoori chicken.
Yes, sir.
I need 3 naans and paneer butter masala with your fish dry.
Yes, sir.
Bring me a half plate of chicken biryani with chettinad chicken.
Yes, sir.
Bring me a 1 plate egg noodles and gobi manchuri.
I shall bring all the time. And do you like to have any fruit salad or ice cream or cool drink at the end of the course?
Bring me 2 ice creams for my children, and a coffee for me and my wife, and cool drink for my son and daughter-in-laws. How much is it?
985 rupees.
Keep the change.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Please come again.
Good morning, madam. I shall help you, and I ask one of the salesmen to help you.
Please show me the fiction books section. I want to select few English novels which are written by Ayn Rand, Arthur Haley, Sidney Sheldon and Mario Puzo.
These are some of the world best novels written by the authors you have mentioned. Do you need any other book from fiction?
I need some Tamil fiction novels written by the authors Rajesh Kumar, Balakumaran and Sujata.
Here are the books written by the author whom you have mentioned. Please select.
Now I want to select some autobiography books like My Experience with Truth written by Mahatma Gandhi, Discovery of India written by Jawaharlal Nehru and Wings of Fire written by Dr. Abdul Kalam.
These are the books which you have asked. I shall pack these books too.
I also need some personality development books like How to Influence and Influence People written by Dale Carnegie, Stop Worrying and Start Living written by Norman Vincent Peale.
I shall pack these too, madam. Do you need any other books?
These books are enough. I need some educational CDs like Encyclopedia Science, TOEFL, IELTS. I also need Ramayana and Mahabharata CDs. It is enough. Please bring the bill.
The bill amount is 2,975 rupees, madam.
Here is the money.
Thank you, madam.
Dear folks, it is the general scenario that what we find today is the people approaching to the bank for educational loan, business loan, house loan, and it's the manager. The manager may be a North Indian, a manager may be from the different state where you won't be able to communicate in your mother tongue. So this is the place where English plays an important role. And here we have a scene, shot, and it's in the page number. The page number is, what's the page number?
633, sir.
633. Take your book 633. Now you find 3 persons. This is the office man, Mr. Amitabh, approaching to the bank for a bank loan, and the manager who speaks. So here the person tells what he needs and the manager says what are the conditions. So just go through this and see how the bank deals with the customer. Thank you, sir.
Good morning. I wish to meet the manager.
Good morning. May I know what is the reason for your meeting?
I have come here to meet him with regards to a bank loan.
Please wait. We shall call within 5 minutes.
Good morning, sir. I am Amitabh, postgraduate, unemployed, planning to start a new business, and I have come here for a bank loan. Can I apply for a bank loan?
Good morning, Amitabh. We can provide a loan from Self-Entrepreneurs Development Program, and tell me what business you plan to start.
I wish to start a call center training institute and do business processing outsourcing services.
What is the total loan amount which you expect, and what were you planning to invest the loan amount?
My total budget is 5 lakh. I plan to allot 1 lakh as an advance for the land and the building, 2 lakh for purchasing computers, printers and air conditioners, 1 lakh for furniture, and to allot 1 lakh rupees for working capital.
There are certain formalities to be followed while obtaining the loan. You have to show the general collateral security for rupees 5 lakhs, 2 guarantors, a technician qualification certificate, project reports, estimation of your projects, and guarantor income certificate, your ration card.
Since it is a government loan, what are the concerns, subsidies and privilege I get because of this loan?
The loan amount with interest can be paid 1 year of borrowing, and 15% of loan amount, rupees 75,000, that is 75,000, is given by subsidiary, the government. The enough for rupees to pay 4,25,000 with interest. There are so privileges.
Thank you very much. I shall come with the necessary certificates which you have asked.
All the best, Amita.
Thank you, sir.
Dear Suresh, how are your studies going on?
Good morning, sir. I'm fine. I'm curious to know about the public holidays and it is excellent. Please tell me the important days in the month of January.
Well, I can explain to you. The new year falls on January 1st. It is on that day people take some oaths, and it is on the same day that they celebrate with dance, music and other sumptuous dinner. Boki festival falls on January 13th, so we burn the old things to please the fire god. Pongal comes in January 14th, so it is on that day the farmer thank the god for their contribution to the agriculture. So Pongal is also celebrated by cooking pongal, the sweet rice. Bakrid is celebrated on 21st of January, so it is a Muslim festival. And Independence Day is Republic Day is celebrated on January 26th. So it is on that day, 1950, the constitutional law was introduced in India. So we celebrate that day.
Thank you, sir. I want to know more about the important days in the month of February, March and April.
Muharram is celebrated during the month of February. It's a Good Friday on March 25th, which is celebrated by Christians all over the world in remembrance of Lord Christ who was crucified. April 1st, the annual bank account closes. April 9th, we celebrate the Telugu New Year Day, and April 14th, we celebrate the Tamil New Year Day. Mahavir Jayanti is celebrated on April 22nd, which is celebrated by Jains, and Miladi Nabi is also celebrated on the same day, April 22nd, to celebrate the birthday of Prophet Muhammad, who introduced Islamic religion.
Thank you, sir. It is more informative, and I would like to know more about the days in the month of May, June, July, August and September.
Well, I can explain to you. May 1st is a national holiday. It's a workers' day. We celebrate Independence Day on August 15th. It is that day, 1947, India got her freedom. The Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated on September 6th. On that day, we worship and thank Lord Ganesha. So it is on that day we take the idol Lord Ganesha and sing the idol in sea or river. The half-yearly closing of bank falls on September 30th.
Thank you, sir. Please tell me the important days in the month of October, November and December.
Gandhi Jayanti falls on October 2nd. It is on that day we celebrate the birthday anniversary of the father of our nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. October 11th, we celebrate the Saraswati Puja. It is on that day we worship and thank Lord Saraswati, the education goddess. October 12th, we celebrate the Vijayadashami. It is on that day the people admit the daughters and sons in the school. So November 1st, we celebrate Deepavali. It is on that day we wear new clothes, we burst crackers and we thank Lord Krishna who killed Naragasura. November 4th, we celebrate the festival Ramzan, in which the Muslims all over the world fast on that day. And December 25th, we celebrate Christmas. It is on that day the Christians all over the world celebrate the birthday of infant Jesus Christ.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
This is Madras International Airport, Customs Department. I'm Surya. Welcome you, passengers.
Are these yours bags, sir? Can you declare the things which we have in your bag?
Yes, sir. These are my bags. These bags contain 2 kgs of gold, 3 camera fixed mobile phones, 2 laptop computers, 3 bottles of champagne, 50 packets of cigarettes, and 3 hand video cameras.
Mr. Ram, you are allowed to bring 25,000 worth of goods, which are exempted from the custom duty, and you have to pay the custom duty for the value which you have 25,000.
Alright, sir. How much should I pay?
1 camera fixed mobile phones is worth 25,000, so you are allowed to take a mobile phone without paying and customer's duty. You have to pay 15,000 for 2 kg gold and 5,000 for 2 mobile phones, 3,000 for 2 laptop computers and 1,000 for champagne bottle and 500 for cigarette packets and 4,000 for hand video camera. Totally you have to pay 63,500.
Sir, I don't have enough money to pay the custom duty. If you agree, I shall pay through my travel check.
Yes, sir. We accept the traveler check. Do you have any other thing?
No, sir. I don't have anything else. If you want, I shall open the other bags also.
It is not necessary. I shall mark all these bags. Please, it will take some time.
Thank you, sir. I shall go, call a porter and come.
Isn't the weather wonderful? Tell me something about you. Which college you have finished your studies?
Yeah, it's a wonderful climate. I finished my studies from Madras Christian College. I am very social, understanding, enthusiastic, learning many things. How about you?
I'm fun-loving, goal-center, idea-center, strong-willed, humorous and independent. Tell me about your hobbies.
Stitching, cooking, reading English novels, listening to music and chatting with the friends through internet. Tell about your hobbies.
Going for discotheque, modeling, acting in drama, taking part in social activities. Tell me how an ideal husband should be.
He should be tall, handsome, good sense of humor, teetotaler, loving, economically independent, relationship focused with your expectations from your wife.
She should be a loving, cooperative, cultured, versatile, humorous and a glorious person. I find all those qualities in you.
Thank you, and you fulfilled my expectations. Do you mind me working after the marriage?
Not at all. You may work as your peace. You are the only daughter for your parents. I didn't mind your parents staying with us after marriage.
Since I can't leave them alone, we shall be with them.
Let us convey our consent to our parents and wait for betrothal.